Hello everyone. In today's financial market, investors are constantly trying to answer three key questions. Is that a good company? Is this a good time to buy? Which stocks best fit my personal investments profile? Answering these questions manually requires analyzing multiple indicators, comparing companies, and interpreting both fundamental and technical science, which can be time consuming and subjective. The goal of this project was to build a data-driven dashboard that integrates fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and customizable ranking system into a single structured decision-making tool. The first page focuses on financial strength and long-term sustainability. Here we can see key metrics such as return on invested capital, return on equity, net margin, debt to equity, current rating, revenue growth, dividend yield, and liquidity. All indicators are color coded. Green represents strong fundamentals, yellow indicates moderate performance, red signal potential risk. We also calculate a quality score ranging from 0 to 1, which aggregates profitability, financial strength, and liquidity into a single composite indicator. On the right side, we have the risk versus profitability chart. This visualization compares debt to equity on the horizontal axis and ROIC on the vertical axis. Companies in the upper right area generally combine strong profitability with balanced leverage, making them attractive candidates for a defensive portfolio. This page answers the question, is this a fundamentally solid company? The second page focuses on marketing timing and momentum. Here we analyze RSI, Relative Strength Index, MACD histogram, distance to the 200-day moving average, 20-day return, and relative volume. These indicators help determine whether the stock is in an uptrend, experiencing strong momentum, or potentially overbought or oversold. We also calculate a technical score, again scaled from 0 to 1, summarizing trend strength in moment condition. We also calculate a technical score scaled from 0 to 1, summarizing trend strength and momentum condition. On the right side, trend versus moment map visualizes RSI against distance to the 200-day moving average, allowing us to quickly identify stocks with aligned trend and momentum signals. This page answers, is this a good time to buy? The third page integrates everything into a customizable ranking system. Here, users can assign weights from 1 to 3 to quality, technical factors, dividend yield, and liquidity. The final investment score is calculated as a weighted average of this company, ensuring the results always remain between 0 and 1. The ranking table dynamically updates based on the selected weights, showing the top stocks that best match the investor's performance. This page answers, which stock best fit my investment strategy? Now, briefly about how this was built. The data pipeline was developed in Google Colab using Python. Fundamental data was collected using the Fundamentals library. Technical indicators were calculated using historical price data from Yahoo Finance. All metrics were normalized between 0 and 1 to ensure mathematical consistency in the scoring model. The processed datasets were exported to Google Sheets, separating raw data from normalized data. Finally, Google Looker Studio was used to build the interactive dashboard where scoring logical visualization, as you can see, and user-defined parameters were implemented. The architecture ensures clarity, scalability, and consistent calculation across all the pages. Looking ahead, this project could be further improved by automating data updates using tools like Airflow or N8N, implementing scheduled daily refresh, adding historical backtesting capabilities, incorporating macroeconomic indicators, using machine learning to optimizing weighting schemes, developing an API-based deployment. The long-term vision would be a fully automated investment intelligence platform. This project demonstrates how fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and quantitative scoring can be integrated into a unified decision support system. It transforms scattered financial data into structured, interactive investment insights. Thank you for watching.